Welcome back to my channel. My name's Kenzie, and today we're baking a cake. Today we're using this kid baking set. This package has everything you need to make a cake, and it's kid size like me. Let's open it up. Anything else? Nope, nothing else. Look at all these stuff they had in there. They even came with recipes. Today we're making rainbow fatty cake. Step 1. Preheat oven. Now you're going to need 3 eggs, vegetable oil, and water. Now let's put the cake mixing into the bowl. Let's do it. Let's open it. Oh, see? Wait. Oh, there's sprinkles in here. I can see the sprinkles. Guys, there's sprinkles, okay? There is sprinkles. See? Now it's time to crack the eggs. Don't get any shells into the batter. No shells. One more egg. Now you're going to need 1 cup of water. Let's get rid of this down. That's enough. Add 1/4 cup of oil. Let's put that on. Take your spatula and carefully stir it together. For an extra taste, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Put it here. Next, grease your pan. Carefully pour your cake batter into the pans. Now bake for 20 minutes. When it's done baking, let it cool down. Take them out of the pan. Now let's get ready for frosting. My cake is going to be vanilla. Put this vanilla into these 2 bowls. Now in your mine's gonna be pink and purple. Frostings are mixed. I'm gonna frost the cake purple and I'm gonna make pink flowers. Take a big scoop like this and put it on your cake. Now we're gonna spread this all over. Add the second layer and then continue to frost. Take your bag and make it like this. And take a big scoop and then put it in here. Now it's time to add decoration. This is the cake. It's all baked and frosted and sprinkled on it. I think we should try it now. Here's a piece of my cake. Now let's try it. That's yummy. Thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And that's the end.